8 August 2024. I have figured out that the starter solenoid has went out on this. For anybody that's wondering, it has 37 hours on it. Just got done riding it back from 15-20 minute ride. Realized our neighbor left their phone with us, so I went to start it and go back up there and it wouldn't work. And come to find out, you can see the other videos of how I tested the switch and how I tested the starter solenoid, which is under there. I just posted 2 videos, and I just want to show the way I rigged it up real quick. So here, go ahead and hold this. So I ended up just taking these 2 cables right here, running them to the starter solenoid that's about right here under the seats. Ended up taking the heat shrink tube, wrapped it around the end of the cable, put some paper towel in it about right here so I could have a little play. Let's do one at a time. So I had a little bit of play to push that tip out. So as you can see, the heat shrink here, the thing, paper towel was about in there that much, just to where it would move back and forth a little bit. And this is how I'm going to start my 4-wheeler until the new starter solenoid arrives. That's it, folks. It's a brand new machine. Hasn't been ridden too much. Anyway, hopefully it's just a fluke. I posted this video on a lot of other channels so far. Nobody seems to have had this problem, so it may just be in mine. Anyway, just wanted to share that with you guys, so if it helps anybody else that's their quad went dead. Also, just since I'm seeing it right here, make sure your shop puts these on good. About 3 days after purchasing this thing, I noticed my handguard flopping around and this bolt fell off. The shop that I'm going to take it to, not where I bought it, it's going to give me the starter solenoid. Said they'd give me another one of these. Lake Cumberland Motorsports in Somerset, Kentucky. And there's a gentleman named Chad there, all due credit. Most places are all about just making a dime. I'll bring it in. He actually troubleshot it with me on the phone real quick and showed me how to test that solenoid. Most shops won't do that. They just want you to bring it in and get the money. So greatly appreciate that, Chad, if you ever do see this video. Anyway, that's it. It's up, it's running. It was a starter solenoid.